Hi, you're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because you're misusing your effort. So let's fix this. Most people think working hard, putting 12, 16 hours a day is working hard. But here's the real question. If you're working that much and still not seeing the income you want, is your formula even working? So let me explain why working hard doesn't always mean working smart, and why you might be grinding your life away with the wrong approach. I wasted years thinking I was working hard just because I was spending over 12 hours a day on my business. No social life, no friends. For years, it's just been me and the business. But the outcome didn't match the effort. When I finally understood what I'm about to share with you, everything changed. Making money isn't about doing more, it's about doing better. And it's all come down to two things: volume and leverage. Alex Hormozi actually shared this interesting formula about output. What's an output? Output equal volume times leverage. Volume is how often you do something, and leverage is how much return you get each time you do it. A shift worker might be working 12 hours a day, flipping burgers on minimum wage, and he might still be struggling to pay rent. Meanwhile, someone like Warren Buffett can spend a few hours reading and make millions. Why? Leverage. So you can't out-hustle someone who is out-leveraging you, trying to make more money by simply working more hours. That's like bringing a spoon to a sword fight. So why are all these hours you're putting into your business not giving you the leverage? Reason number one, shiny object syndrome. Shiny object syndrome is killing your progress. 1 week you're starting a dropshipping store, next week it's Etsy, the week after you're building an app, and then you wonder why nothing is working. It's not that those ideas are bad, it's that you never stuck with one long enough to become good at it. Real success looks like this. Pick one thing, stick with it, get better over time. Most people quit before they reach anything meaningful in their new adventure. Oh, did they make me millions in 2 weeks? Must be a scam. So they get distracted and then they start over again chasing the next big thing they saw on YouTube or on TikTok. Reason number two, getting bored too quickly. To be great at something, you have to master the boring stuff. You have to leave no corner unturned. If your business is Amazon FBA, then optimize everything: your listing, your offer, your margins, your ads, and always ask, what strategy can I add to grow this? It is boring, I know, but that's the work that moves the needle. Now imagine this: you put in 4 solid hours a day into your business, not fake hours, not 12 hours of being online, 6 of which are spent browsing reels and calling it market research. I'm talking 4 focused hours every day doing the real, sometimes boring tasks you've been avoiding. Do that for 6 months, for 12 months. The progress would be insane. The opportunity is already there. We just ignore it because it's not shiny or exciting. So if you want to grow fast, don't do more, do better. Better offers, better sales scripts, better follow-ups, better customer service, better hires if you have a team, better systems. The compounding effect of a small, consistent improvement beats chasing a new idea every month. Boring, maybe, but that's where the money lives. The truth is, most people already know what to do. They're just not doing it better. Here's the trap. Most entrepreneurs fall into: they confuse motion with progress. They start too many things, they make shallow progress, they burn out, and then say, I guess it wasn't meant to be. No, you weren't focused, you weren't leveraged. So this is it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you for watching.